All right, guys, we are back at it. We're back after catfish. We're on the Allegheny River. I'm with Andy Traster again, and his dad, and my son Cody, and Andy's boy Hunter, and we're ready to go. We're hoping to catch some big fish, so stay tuned. We'll see what happens. Pull it in. Huh? He might have taken your bait.
This is an ultralight. I feel it.
He might have taken your bait.
You need a new one? Yeah, that was.
I got one.
How much is left?
Got one? Yeah.
Wait, I still have a lot left of mine.
Sucker.
Almost looks like a walleye.
Where's that bottle of water?
That's a snag, man. I got it on both hooks. Sucker.
Sucker?
Sucker.
What do you have there, Andy?
I'm gonna get myself a nice sucker.
Bring him over here. Let me see him.
Hurry up before they have to throw it in, Hunter.
How big?
Not very big. That was on a little ultralight, so.
What do you think, Hunter?
Oh, God, I just
Look at the face.
next to my nose.
You want to release him?
You want to put them in?
No.
All right. This I only had this one out just a little bit past that, the grass.
All right, well, first one of the night, right?
Yep.
Oh, there. I smelled it then.
It'll keep running a little bit. It'll take the line out.
Still, is it still taking the line out?
You put it like that?
Could have it right in its mouth. You said that about the last one.
Yeah, it could be another one of them. Nope.
Probably took your bait.
Probably took the bait. It whacked it, hit it hard.
Did you hear it?
Yeah. I saw it too.
Really?
Yeah.
All right, well, Andy had another one on, but it took its bait. All right.
I didn't realize, is that what you're trying to tell me?
Rig up again. Let's get one, Andy. All right, this is what you call a catfish adventure.
Oh, hey. Wiener's on the fire.
We are cooking hot dogs over wet wood. We're smoking hot dogs.
We got our feet in mud.
But we're having fun. Who's having fun? Everybody raise their hand. It's having fun. All right, we're all having fun. That's all that matters. Hunter, you having fun? All right. Oh, that's kind of cool. What are you doing there, Joyce? A hot dog with
A tortilla wrap. Isn't
tortilla
that
wrap.
Lovely?
That's really different.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
All
Where's
right.
yours, Allie?
She ate it already.
Oh.
It was delicious.
Would you say this has skunk cabbage seasoning?
Yes.
All right.
And a nice
Allie
leaf
has a
on there.
cold and she found these beautiful leaves that she thought were lovely. And they were fanning her, and then we realized it was skunk cabbage.
Oh.
And then we threw them on the fire, and then we cooked the hot dogs.
Nope, nothing. What the heck?
This is the spot right here. You've been getting all kinds of bites. It's got to be that
Hunter, go
creek.
get I'll probably need another worm. I'm gonna need another worm, I guarantee it.
Jeez.
Completely cleaned me. The catfish are winning tonight.
Oh yeah.
They're all going off now. Look out.
Can I see it?
Yeah, let me. Oh, oh boy.
Ooh, bring it in.
We got one on now.
Get in, Hunter.
Come on, Hunter.
Really?
Fight him in. Fight him, Hunter. Got a big one on, don't you?
This is the ultralight pull too.
Oh man, look at that rod.
Keep reeling, buddy. Keep going.
Hey, it's a walleye.
Is it?
Hunter caught a walleye.
All right, buddy.
All right, Hunter.
All right. Look at that. Maybe that's what we're getting hits on.
That's a nice.
Very close.
See?
All right, Hunter.
All right, buddy.
Give your dad a high five.
All right.
All right, way to go. That's a nice one, Hunter. That's
I
a
want to touch it.
walleye there, buddy.
That's
He's
a.
a good eater.
Oh, there's that one's going too. Go ahead, Dad.
First legal walleye.
Yep.
Yeah. All
He's not
right.
gonna live
Good
anyways.
job, Hunter.
I couldn't get the hook out.
Well, he's 16 inches, so
Okay,
he's legal.
Wanna hold him?
He was already big.
Here.
Oh, he's got a fun. I see a fish.
That's not a fish, bud.
Not there.
I know.
My lord.
How many have we missed tonight? Las Vegas.
Nope, nothing.
Nope, he's gone. Nothing.
Oh, I can't believe it. I don't think it's on there.
Quite a few. We are missing more than we're catching. What's going on, Andy?
I don't know. I can't believe it. Oh boy. Hunter. Come here, buddy. Hunter. Oh,
Got one?
yeah.
What do you think, Andy? What is it?
That's pretty big.
Come on, Hunter, bring it in, buddy, bring it in. You got a monster on.
It must be, that thing's really bouncing down there. I wonder if they're tangled.
Come on, bring him in, Hunter, bring him in. Look at that rod. Oh my.
He might break it.
I can see it.
He's gonna break it.
It's got to be a big catfish.
He's gonna break it. No, you can't fish.
It's a cat, buddy.
I hate you fish. You
He's almost here.
Come on, bring him in, Hunter.
Bring him in, buddy. You got him, buddy.
Oh my.
All right. Almost, buddy.
All right, Hunter.
He was tangled in the other line.
Big old catfish.
Hold on, buddy. I got it here. I got the whole other pole hooked on it. That's why. Oh, maybe not. No, maybe
I
not.
got 2 fish. Are we gonna keep it?
Yeah, I'll keep it. I'll clean it too.
No, you can.
Well, she doesn't flop back in the water.
No, you can have the walleye.
Huh?
I want the catfish.
Oh, well, okay.
Hunter, you excited?
No,
Huh?
it's my second fish.
Yeah.
And
All
you
right,
can
way to
get
go. And that's a big one, too. Nice big old
Jeez Louise.
channel catfish. You caught a walleye tonight. Hunter, you're the man. How old are you, Hunter?
8, almost 9.
Are you having fun tonight?
All right, guys, we're ending for the night. We had a great night. Hunter caught a nice walleye and a beautiful catfish. So we were really into them there. We had a lot of hits that we didn't catch, but
Oh no, it was a good night.
It was
Hunter,
a
did
good
you have
night.
a good time, buddy? Yeah,
Yeah.
caught is that his first walleye?
First walleye and first catfish, I believe.
All right. Way to go. Beautiful night on the Allegheny River.